We are going to look at solving this problem using a strip diagram. Did y'all use strip diagrams last year at all?
No.
Yes.
No strip diagrams?
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
I did. I remember it, but I don't remember how to do it.
All right, so let's look at it. So I have, Jamie has 2,892 pictures. How many pictures does she need to have 6,246 pictures altogether? Pretty basic problem, right?
Yes.
I picked a basic problem just so it would be easier to make a strip diagram. Yes. No, please do it in your math journal. Okay, so what am I solving for?
How many pictures? How many pictures he needs to have 6,246 pictures altogether?
Yes, how many pictures does she need? So I'm writing that. How many pictures does give you 20 seconds to get that written down.
I was just listening to this. That's how I knew what it was. I got one.
Hold on. How many pictures do I have, Gavin?
2,892.
So she has
2,800.
2,892 pictures. And I also know what? It's not snowing. Take your hood off, please. What do I know? What else do I know, Kate?
That she wants to know how many pictures altogether.
I want to know altogether. How many pictures altogether?
624. 6,246.
She wants 6,246 pictures.
What kind of pictures?
Oh, that doesn't matter. Together. Does it matter if it's not mentioning anything of what kind of pictures she has? It just says pictures.
Oh.
Okay, so this is going to be kind of tricky, but I want you to slow down and think about it. I'm going to ask you it twice. And I want you to think. Don't raise your hand, just think about it. Do I have a total? Do I know how many pictures she has in total? Think about it. Do I know how many pictures she has or wants to have in total?
Yes.
Not answering out loud, you're thinking about it. If it is a yes, that means I have my total, right? So am I solving for a total amount or a part of pictures?
Total.
That's kind of tricky,
Oh
right?
no, part because
I'm
you
sorry
already
for-
have 2,000.
Because you already, no, because look, she already has her.
I'm looking for a part because I already know how many she wants to have in total, right? So I need a part, so I'm either going to do what or what?
Divide or subtract.
Okay. Are my parts equal?
Yeah, no.
They're not, right? So I'm going to do what?
Subtract.
Subtract. So we're going to draw a strip diagram to look at how to do this.
Do that.
So you said I have a total, so what's my total?
6,246.
So on a strip diagram, we have our bars. We have 6,246. That's how many she wants to have, she wants to have all together. How many does she have already?
2,892.
Yes.
You call.
So do I know what this part's going to? Do I know what this part is?
No, ma'am.
So I'm gonna put
A question mark.
a question mark. When subtracting, does order matter?
Yes.
Yes. So let's write an equation that I could solve this problem. Give me an equation writer.
6,246 minus 2,800.
So I'm taking my total and subtracting apart. Yes. Let me ask you this. We're going to change the way we're thinking about things. What is the opposite of subtraction? Talon? Addition. So is this problem the same as this?
No.
Are these the same?
No.
It's not?
Wait, hold on. Wait,
Would it give me the same answer?
Yes.
It would. So it's the same problem, just numbers are moved around.
Yeah.
Does order matter when I'm adding?
No, ma'am.
No. So I can also say the amount that I need to know plus the amounts I know will give me the amount she wants to have.
Yeah, but you are.
Do all of these equations work for this problem?
Yes.
Yes, but they all work. To figure out these two answers, though, I would use my subtraction, though, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm showing you this because we'll be looking at all these different types of equations next week, okay? So these all work with this problem. So now let's solve it real fast. Oh, I'm running out of room. We'll go, I don't know where we're going to go, right here. So 6,246 minus 2,892. When I'm subtracting, what do I have to line up? When I'm lining up numbers, I'm lining up
It's place value.
place value. Can I do 6 minus 2?
Yes.
What do you get?
4.
Can I do 4 minus 9?
No.
No, if I have 4 baseball, can I take 9 away from them?
No.
So what am I going to do, Ethan?
You have to subtract.
I know, but I can't do 4 minus 9, so what am I going to do?
So you have to carry.
To borrow, yes. So I'm borrowing from the 6?
No.
Why not the 6?
Because that's too high.
It's too far. I got to go next door, right? The next place value over. So my 2 becomes a...
1. And then the 4 becomes a 14.
Let me ask you this. Why am I making this 14 not just 5?
Because you already have 4.
I'm taking a whole group, a whole 10 of them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tatum, what's your question?
Oh, I was going to tell you the answer. But
Oh, what's 14 minus 9 then?
14 minus 9? 5.
5. Can I do 1 minus 8?
No, ma'am.
What am I going to do, Della?
You can take 1 from 6 and then turn the 2
Into a 5.
Ooh, this is a 5 or a 7?
5.
5. If I'm borrowing, it has to go down. Very good. This becomes then
12.
11 because this was 1.
11.
11 minus 8 is
3.
Do you know, can I tell you something real fast? If you don't know a subtraction problem, work backwards. 8, 9, 10, 11. I added 3 more to get to 11. 5 minus 2.
3.
So how many pictures does she need?
3,354.
Yes.
Check my work. Me too.
How can you check it?
Plus it.
By adding.
Oh, not plus. That makes me sad.
Add.
You can add 3,354 and 2,892.
Yes, I can literally take this answer and plug in where my question mark's in and add it up to see if I get 6,246. And I do! Okay, strip diagrams for adding and subtraction because subtracting are a beautiful thing to do. They get a little more complicated when you multiply or divide, but they're still amazing things to use.
I got a question.
Yes, what's your question?
So when we would do this, will we have to do this like later in the year? Will we have to do this every single question if we had
Strip
to?
diagrams? No. This, yes. Pictures are great things to use. I highly recommend, because a lot of y'all are visual learners, you need to see what you're doing with pictures of like groups and things in the group, and these, that's great picture models to see what you have to do. Any more questions? Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
We're starting sessions now?